If masks work, why the social distancing? If social distancing works, why the masks? If they both work,
why the lockdown?
Face masks are supposed to help stop the spread from you to another person. It's really not just about protecting yourself, but about protecting other people. But do they actually do that? There's a lot of things I see on
social media.
A lot of people complaining about wearing face masks. Do they actually block particles from you to somebody else or somebody else to you? Most of the face masks being recommended are just loose-fitting pieces of cloth. Is that actually going to stop a virus or some kind of disease from getting from one person to the other? I see the doctors on the news, they're not wearing these masks when they deal with patients. They're wearing full-body armor.
I need that.
If that's the best, I want the best. I want to be fully geared up so nothing gets on me. That's what we need in public to protect us. The cashiers wear these masks and then handle money that's been in someone's underwear for 3 days and hands it to me. This can't be enough. How far can these droplets possibly fly? I went grocery shopping the other day and a lady had her finger under her mask and went through the apples after like
Rumpelstiltskin in a haystack.
This is in no way a scientific study at all. Mask 1, homemade cloth. Not even close. I cannot put this out. Mask 2, store-bought generic. Nope. Mask 3. What is this one? Mask 3, bought from the pharmacy. I can't blow these candles out. Birthday's off. T-shirt test. I could not blow out those candles. Just to make sure they're not trick candles. Really does. You really can't blow it out with them. Maybe there's something to this. Masks aren't just meant to protect you, the wearer. They're meant to protect me and everybody near you
that you're coughing on.
It's the same reason you can't go in a public place
and light up a cigarette.
I don't know the answer, but I could not blow out those candles with either one of these masks or even the shirt over my face.